Okay, so once you have your Lightroom installed, you want to import pictures to get pictures inside your library module and develop module to be able to edit. And how we do that is through the import process. So you've clicked on import while in the library, and this is the import screen. Now, you can import from a card reader. This is a card reader. You can import from files that are already on your hard drive. So this is my laptop hard drive. Or you can import from, say, a thumb drive or an external hard drive, that kind of thing. And you just click on it. Now, there's nothing here, really. There's a video. So if you click on it, see, there's just a video. This is the memory card, and then here is my hard drive. So with a memory card, we're going to copy. We've got to copy them over, and if you're on your internal hard drive, you're just going to add them. All right, that's all you're going to do. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. And you're just going to add them because they're already on your computer. Okay, they're already on your computer. So we would just click to add them, but we're not going to do that from here. So we're going to do the most common, and that is from the card reader onto your computer. And so I have selected do not import suspected duplicates. So those are suspected, so you can see if they're grayed out, it means they're already on, Lightroom already knows about them. They're in your Lightroom catalog. And I don't want to bring them all in, so I'm going to uncheck all. I'm just going to bring a couple in here. Let's just say these two, and maybe this one as well. So I've got 3 that I selected, and I can add them to a collection here. You'll learn about collections later. Got sample imports where I'm going to do it, or you can create a new collection by hitting the plus sign. Down here I can just do wedding rings. All right, got that. Now destination, that is what is the trickiest for people. They usually mess this up. It's going to do whatever you've done last. So if you do a very specific destination where it's copying to, then you do it again next week, it's going to do the same one unless you tell it otherwise. You've got to tell it otherwise. So you have to choose your drive where you want it to go to. If you want it to go by date, we can do that. And then it's going to do it. Now I'm going to click users and my name, and then I'm going to go to pictures. So I have to keep telling it, no, go deeper, go deeper, go deeper. So here it can do by date, which would be 2016. It's an older memory card here. Or I can choose, oops, I don't want that. I want into one folder. So if it's into one folder, I have to choose the folder. So I'd say, okay, let's do pretty samples. Now, if I wanted to put it into a new folder inside of that, I can do wedding ring samples, which it's there because it's the last thing I typed. I could go in there and change it to be something else, like new rings, something like that. And it's going to show me what it'll look like. But now I already have wedding rings here, so I'm going to choose this. All right, into one folder. Come on, it's not letting me select it down. It's like it's froze up. Come on now. There we go. Pretty samples. And then wedding rings. There. Now it selected it. Kind of hung up there for a minute. And so that's where it's going to import once I clicked import. And then when it comes in, it's going to show you what you just imported, and that's what will be in your film strip unless you choose on a particular collection or a group of keywords. Your film strip is going to have what you last imported.